how we do it in the South towns. Look at this. Never seen anything like this. Except for when I was 10 years old, the blizzard of 77, but man. We're supposed to get more later. Thank God I had that new snowblower. I'd be still digging this thing out. Plows haven't even made it through here. It's so bad. That's the end of the driveway where the street is. Plows haven't even attempted to come through here. Look at this. Thank God I had that. Backyard is unbelievable. Look at this. It's got to be at least 4 feet of snow. It's supposed to be 55, 50 degrees Sunday. Where is all this gonna go?